Hope you're having a great day. What is up, guys? In this video, we are going to show you how to delete a bank account on Payoneer. Now, if you want to delete a bank account because you have your own reasons, it's very easy. What you want to do is go look to your left-hand side, which is the Payoneer main menu on the desktop. And what you want to do is click on withdraw and transfer, which is below Payoneer cards and above account activity. Now, if you click this, you're going to be brought to this option again. It's kind of like just withdrawing money from your Payoneer account to your bank account. Now, the different thing is you need to click on manage bank accounts like so. And here you're going to be seeing, we have one bank account that we're using in this account. As you can see here, this is our bank account, right? It's blurred, very important information. So what you want to do is click on this and a small slide up will appear here. And what you want to do is under here, it says delete account, right? So if you click this, a pop-up will appear. This is verified bank account. To delete a verified bank account, contact us. Click OK. It's going to be a straightforward process. Unfortunately, we're not going to do it in this video because this is our bank account. So if you click OK, it's a very straightforward process. It's not, it's very streamlined. It's not hard. So that's how you delete a bank account on your Payoneer account. That's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.